guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up all of your clips at one click. It is actually super simple now that you can do it. Before you couldn't, but you do have to update your app for it to work. So select everything by just dragging your cursor like so, or press the Control A button on your keyboard or Command A if you're on MacBook. This is the app, by the way, and not the website. But you're just going to select speed, and to speed it up you're going to drag the slider to the right to speed it up. So you have like this 1x speed, 2x speed, 5x speed, 10x speed, up to around 70x speed, I think. But I'm just going to speed it up to like 2x speed just to show you guys that that's how you can easily just speed up your clips like so. Okay, that's still a little bit too slow for my liking, so I'm just going to speed it up again. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!